I hope you are well and good. Okay, so this is our ST programming season, and almost we completed 4 to 5 parts. Okay, so in the next, today is the for loop. Okay, so for loop, so you want to search data, something you want to search data from your database. Okay, in array. So for loop is most important. Okay, but how we can use this for loop? Okay, in the programming. So here one example I will go. One example. This is the maximum weight finder. Means you have some data and you want to found the you want to found the maximum number, okay, or minimum number or equal number. So you can use this for loop. Okay, for loop for loop means what? You want to run one program a particular time, means one time, two time, 9 times. Okay, this is the main purpose of for loop. Means you can in between for loop program, it will be execute as per the given loops. Means you can see here the for loop is 1 to 9. So this program in for loop program will execute 9 times. Okay, so these settings you can set as per your requirement. Okay, but this setting is in limitation. Okay, otherwise maybe occur the watchdog time error maybe comes if a loop is more than the PLC scan cycle. So it need to take care about it. Okay, otherwise it's not problem. Okay, so now today is the example is the find the maximum numbers, find the maximum number from the array. Okay, so how we can use the for loop in this section? Okay, so uh, I will come in the next, but first what we need to do for this? Okay, so I hope you understand the example is maximum number find. Okay, so I have one array, means weight db array, and there are certain values in particular arrays. Means in 0 there's 12 value, in 1 is 15.5 value, and 2 is 9.0 value. Okay, so this is my array is starting from 0 to 9. Okay, and there are some values in the array. Okay, this is the value 12, 15.5, 9.0, 20.1, 14.0. Okay, or blah 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 blah, or 16.2 or 16.2. Okay, so if we want to find the maximum value, okay, so how we can find the maximum value? Okay, so in this case, okay, so first we need to create one array and one database. Okay, so first how we can create? Okay, so just I'm coming to software. Okay, so this is my software. Okay, so first I will create one DB. Okay, for database. So so we are found the maximum number. Okay, so I am creating this DB as a weight. Okay, name is weight. Okay, so this is my data block. Okay, so in DB, in this DB, what is the requirement of the variable? Okay, so first variable is weight DB. Okay, weight DB and the array format. Okay, weight DB in the array format. Okay, then the maximum weight, where I need to store the maximum weight. Okay, so maximum weight. Okay, and then slot number, which in which slot the value is maximum. Okay, so this all thing I want to store in the variable. Okay, so just I will create the one by one variable. So first is weight array. Okay, okay, weight array. So here I am creating the data type will be array type. Okay, this is array type. Okay, so up array I will select array is a real. Okay, array is real, but this is the 0 to 1 array, but I want to exactly 0 to 9 array. Okay, so I am selecting here 0 to 9 array. Okay, so then after we need to store the data. Okay, so in any case, so as per your requirement, as per your programming, you can store the data. So you need to store the data in this value. Okay, otherwise you can make the program for this array. Okay, so this is the array. So total 0 to 10, 0 to 9 means total 10 number. Okay, this, and one is index. Index for what? So index for, I want to index in integer format. Okay, index for what? So in this program I want to change this array number. Okay, so array 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So index will help to change these numbers. Okay, then index, and I want to store the maximum value, maximum weight. Okay, max weight. So max weight will be in the real format. Okay, because I use this array in the real format. Okay, so this is the in the real format, and the float number. Okay, float number. Okay, float number in a integer. Okay, because the index in integer. Okay, so this is my variables. Okay, that I created in the weight db. Okay, so I want to find the maximum number in this array. Okay, I want to find the maximum number in this array. Okay, so what will the program for this for the maximum finding using the for loop? Okay, so that program I will be created here. Okay, so create. Okay, insert the SCL network. Okay, I am deleting this. Okay, so first is I want to clear. Okay, so I want to initialize these values. Which one are these both? Okay, maximum weight and slot number. Okay, I want to initialize this. Okay, I will be initialized by 0. Okay, okay, and one more thing. So I think I forget to compile this block. Okay, this is the mandatory. So after creating the DB, uh, need to compile. Okay, I think compile. Okay, okay. Now I want to initialize this both. Okay, so weight is my db. Okay, weight is my db. Which value I want to compile? So weight, maximum weight. Okay, so maximum weight I will be initialized by array, means it will be considered from the 0. Okay, weight array, and value is from the 0. Okay, so whatever the value of array 0, it will be transfer here. Okay, and then slot number. Okay, I also initialize the slot number. Okay, so slot number already I define in this main here. Okay, so then slot number. Okay, slot number is 0. Okay, so this is the initialization. Weight array 0, whatever the value in array 0, it will be transfer here. Okay, it will be transfer here. So we initialize first number of weight in this maximum weight. Okay, because we need to compare this value. Okay, now here we will start the for loop. Okay, so for otherwise directly available here for to do. Okay, the for. Okay, statement I add later. Okay, so here the counter value. Okay, counter value means what? Your value, that value you need to increase. Okay, value 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, means we already define our index. Okay, so this weight, our weight block, weight. Okay, and we already defined the index. Okay, this index. Okay, so this index value will start from the 1. Okay, it will start from the 1 and it will go up to 9. Okay, so our total array is 10. Okay, it will start from the 1 and it will go to up to 9. Okay, 9. Now what we need to do now, we will use here instruction. Okay, if if means what? If means what? If our weight array. Okay, so our weight weight array. Okay, array, and here we will use the index because we need to scan total 10 arrays. Okay, so this 10 array, this is our index. This index we will use. Okay, weight dot index. Okay, so this index will run up to 0 to 9, means 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, already 0 here depend those, so initial value will be available. Okay, it will be increase 1 to 9. Okay, in single scan. Okay, when PLC will execute one cycle and this loop will execute 9 times. Okay, okay, so what we need to, so weight array and weight index, the value is less than or greater than. So what we need to do, we need to perform greater value. Okay, so here I'm adding the greater than symbol. Okay, and is equal to maximum weight. Okay, so sorry, weight. Okay, maximum weight. Okay, so here it will check the weight, initially the weight, maximum weight, whatever the maximum weight, this weight will compare this weight, maximum weight. Okay, so the loop will start from the 0 1 2 3. Okay, then it will be check the value. Okay, if value is 0 and here value is something. Okay, so not greater than value. Okay, but it greater than value, then what? Then what? If found any greater than value, then what? So that time I want to move this data. uh, I want to move this data in maximum weight. Okay, okay, so value is means condition is true. So whatever the weight, that weight we need to transfer here. Okay, whatever the value in particular array. Okay. S- Particular, and here our index. I explained, don't worry. Okay. Okay, how it will work, I explained to you. Dot. Okay. Slot number. Okay. How slot number, how it come? Slot number. The slot number come from the index. Which dot index, whatever the index value, it will be transfer here. Okay. Then end if. Okay. So our program is completed. How it will be executed, I will explain. Okay. So no error means program is okay. Okay, so you can check in your simulation mode. Okay, so what is the initial condition? So weight and maximum weight, so whatever the weight value in zero. Okay, in zero means first column, this column. Okay, in this column, so whatever the value in this column, it will be transferred here. Okay, it whatever the value, it will be transferred here. Okay, then wait slot number. Okay, so wait slot number, initial slot number is 0 now. Okay, index will start from the 0, then again 1. Okay, so wait array index, so index 1 here, wait array index 1, so whatever the value in the 1. Okay, so it will be compare with this weight maximum weight. Okay, that already we assign. Okay, so here for example, here is 10, and here is 1. So what we value is 0, value is 0. So what will be happen? So value is not greater than. So what will be happen? This can again, this can again. Okay, so whenever this can again, so value will weight index value will become a 2. 2 means the second array. Okay, 2 means the second array. So second array, so it will be check the value of the second array. Okay, for example, I am adding here value, so it will be easy for you. Okay, 10, 30, 40, 60. This is temporary. Okay, 70, 100, 80, 90. Okay, and I'm adding one more value. What I can 95. Okay, so for example, this is our value. Okay, so how it work? So first is 10. Okay, so 10 will be automatically move. This 10 value will automatically move. Where it will be move? So here, so here, so 10 value transfer the here. Okay, and the slot number already 0. Okay, what is the next? So in next, it will be check the index is 1. Index is 1 means what? So index is 1 means this one. Index is 1 means this one. Okay, so what is the value? Value is the 20. Okay, then value is the 20. So what will be happen? Value is 20, so here 1 means value will be 20 and here value will be 10. Okay, so always the value is greater than this. Okay, so if value is greater than this, so what we need to perform? So whatever the array value in the index, this value will move here. Okay, and whatever the index at this time, this index will transfer here. Okay, so 1 will be transfer here and 20 value will be transfer here in the first case. Okay, and in the next means when weight index will become a 2, means 2 means what? 2 means what? 2 means this. 2 means values will be 30. Okay, so value will be 30. Okay, value will be 30, so index 2, so here, okay, index 2, the value will be 30. 30 or what will be the next value? Next value was 20 because already move here. Okay, so 30, 20, so again value is greater than, so again whatever the value in the index, it will be transfer in the maximum weight limit. Okay, and whatever the index value, this index value will transfer the here. Okay, so maximum value will store the here. Again it will be execute 30, 40, 60, 70. Okay, and then 100. Okay, so when the value will be 100 in this array, so that time what will be happen? Okay, so when the value is 100, okay, now maximum value is 100. Okay, then weight index executing this one. For example, maximum weight is 100 and index is executing this 7. Okay, so 7 value is 80. So 7 value is 18. So 7 value is 18 and maximum value is here 100. So this is not execute. Okay, so whatever the value will be fixed. Okay, so previous value will store here. Okay, then again execute next one. Then again execute the 90, but condition is not true. Okay, so again the maximum value is 100 and float number is again the weight, again the weight will be execute and the value is 95, but 100 is maximum. So same value and same slot. Okay, so in this same value will be and same slot. Okay, so just I am trying to okay, so this is the for loop for to do loop. Okay, so in this way you can execute this loop. Okay, so if you want to set the maximum value, minimum value, greater than value, just need to change your change sign here. Okay, so whatever you perform equal to, then you can select accordingly. Okay, so you can also use for the search data. So you want to find the search data. Okay, so means this is one kind of the search data: equal data, greater than data, less than data. Okay, so you can use this. Okay, now, okay, I trying to execute the simulation. So if it is done, then good for us. Okay, so we can check because there are some problems in my simulation. Okay, so you can check this program in your simulation mode. Let's see it executing or not in simulation because there are so many problems. Okay, I try to run this in simulation mode. Okay, so you can see here the program is simulated. Okay, so this is my programs. Okay, so this is my DB. Okay, so I am adding this value in the 2. Okay, so value is 30. Okay, so value is 30. Okay, 40. What happened? Okay, sorry, it's again. Okay, okay, so actually it was in stop mode. Okay, so here the value. Okay, so I am adding here the value. Okay, so for example, my value is 13. Okay, my value is 13. Okay, so you can see here the value is 30. So this is my slot number. Okay, so my slot number is 3 and the maximum weight is 30. Okay, so if it is in green mode, then we can check more value. Okay, so I am adding here 14 value. Okay, 14 value. Okay, so you can see here the maximum value is 14 value, the maximum value is 14 value, and this is the maximum weight, and this is the slot number. Okay, and right, and now I am adding here value 100. Okay, so this is the 100. Okay, so slot number is 1. Okay, my slot number is 1 and maximum weight is 100. Okay, so this way you can perform this operation. So if you find equal value, not equal value, less than value, whatever the value you want to find, so you can use this for loop. It will be easy. Okay, so this is more easy compared to the ladder programming. Okay, this is the benefit of the ST programming. Okay, so this is the program. Okay, so I completely simulated and show you how it is working. Okay, and what will be happen if I adding the same value. Okay, so let's check. So I also never check this type of the experiment. Okay, so just I am adding 590. Okay, so node chain. Okay, no, sorry. Okay, so 9. Okay, it not change because value is not greater than, na? Value is not greater than. Yes, if is same value, so whatever the last value uh, will add, okay, then change. Okay, so I think we use to less than greater than equal to like that, like greater than equal to. Okay, so this is from my side. So if you like this session, so please do not forget to like and comment. I need your supports, okay, for growing my channel. So thank you so much attend this session. So we will meet you in the next session. Then take care and goodbye. We will meet you in the next session. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Good day.